hear that?
A sudden rise in YouTube videos from places all over the world has got people talking about the strange moaning noise that was supposedly in the sky between approximately January 9th and the 14th of this month.
Past 48 hours, there has been some kind of a steady rumble. What many people believe are earthquakes in the capital area, tremors across the southern island, powerful enough to send some folks running for the doorway. The shaking has some people scared, but most are just flat out puzzled. Seismologists say there have been no earthquakes and they can't solve the mystery.